setup is so nice. We're gonna see the Grinch Stole Christmas.
I got the maze.
Hey friends, we saw the Grinch Stole Christmas. If you live in Minnesota, you have to see it. It's so good. The Grinch was so funny. Like, I feel every time I go to these things, I feel like I enjoy it more than the kids because I'm really into it. My gosh, it was, I loved it. We went with the whole family. It was awesome. Justin went sledding with the kids and Sophia earlier. And then Sharon and I stayed so that we could take care of baby. And this is the first time like he cried and I couldn't help him get better or feel better or any of that. And like I'm used to like helping him, but I don't know. Maybe he had a stomach ache or maybe he was overtired. I don't know. But I feel like I didn't do a good job caring for him today, but it's okay. And I told Jessica, I was like, I'm sorry he wasn't too happy today. You doing it? Good job, buddy. Yeah, don't push too hard because that makes it harder to grind or what's it called, to grate the cheese. Hi friends, happy Christmas Eve. We are working on some food prep for tomorrow. Liam, help me.
Grating cheese is hard.
Yeah, you gotta have some muscles for that. And Liam's got some muscles. Yeah, we're just prepping all the food. Justin's gonna pick up catering today at 11:30. So this is what I'm making, and then I'll tell you like the menu because I love to talk. Food is my favorite topic. Actually, I'm gonna DM my one of my besties, Danielle, right now and talk about food with her because that's my favorite topic to talk about. So I'm making Teeny's mac and cheese, her viral TikTok recipe, which is why we got all that cheese. And then I'm making big fat chewy chocolate chip cookies because Saba loves that recipe a lot, and I'm not sure if he likes Cinnabon. So I'm also making the Cinnabon cinnamon rolls. Our bread maker is making the dough right now for me. Thank you to my bread maker because I don't have to be like punching it and waiting for it to rise and all of that. It just makes it for me. I just add the milk and the flour and all of that. Hi, Sunrise. I gave him cheese and now he wants some. I was like, why not? I don't know how much longer I got with my baby. But now he's crying for cheese. Sunrise, we can't do this. You had 2 samples. You tried Colby and mozzarella. Now you want to try cheddar? Okay, we'll try. Can you let him try a little bit of cheddar, you guys? Just a baby bit. Just a baby. Not me letting my cat eat a little bit of, just a little sliver of cheese. We're going to make peanut butter blossoms. I'm going to make salmon tomorrow. I'm going to make the Greek yogurt sauce today. Because, you know, if it sits in there, it's yummy. And then apple cider and then charcuterie board. I know he likes cheese, y'all. But yeah, that's what I'm making. I'm making quite a bit. And then the rest that's catered, we're going to have like stuffing, mashed potatoes, gravy, ham, lasagna. Oh, and it comes with a cake and a salad. So it's a lot of food. But this is good because we like to send everyone with leftovers. Mac and cheese done. I'm going to bake this tomorrow. Teeny said that you can make it ahead of time. Just cook the pasta 1 minute less. So that's what I did. I'm going to foil this up and put this in the fridge. Justin tried Teeny's mac and cheese before he left. Just like the filling part. Like not even like the baked, like chewy, crunchy part of the mac and cheese. He said it's the best he's ever tried. Teeny's recipes, she deserves all her flowers because, dude, it was delicious. I really like the smoked paprika flavor of that mac and cheese. You guys, I don't know where my rolling pin is. And I called Justin and I was like, I'm going to ask him to buy me a rolling pin because he went to go get the catered food. But then I was like, nah, I'm not going to ask him because I figured it out. I didn't want to wait till until he came back for me to work on the cinnamon rolls. And look, this works as a rolling pin. You just have to be gentle because it's glass. And then, of course, clean it afterwards. But I had this long cylindrical spaghetti container. And it worked out so beautifully. You see that, my friends? I love it. Oh, and I was chatting with Sharon yesterday because we spent all day yesterday when we were with the baby. And then also at the Grinch. And she said she's going to do Hanukkah because she feels bad that I'm doing both. And I was like, I don't mind. I mean, like, I'm only doing Hanukkah this year, I thought, because, like, you know, Aunt Julie and Uncle Bob, they're visiting from Chicago and they haven't seen our house yet. And we couldn't figure out a date that they would come see the house. And so it made sense for me to have it. But if she don't want me to do it, it's fine. I told her, I know you don't, okay, that's fine, but I'm still gonna make latkes because that's what I promised. So I am still going to make latkes for Hanukkah because I think I make pretty good latkes, you know. You don't have to be the certain religion or ethnicity to throw down in the kitchen and make it good. You know what I mean? Like, I think I make really good Mexican food and I'm not Mexican. Like, you know me, I love Mexican food, but that's because of all the recipes that I tried, you know? Yeah, so anyways, let me go ahead, add that butter and finish up the cinnamon rolls so I can work on the rest. Did I tell you I got me a list? I got me a list. The only thing I finished is mac. Why do I write down my list? Yes, I do. I write it down, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I gotta work on 9, but I know I'll get it done today because it's only 11 a.m. So I'm gonna get it done. So far, I made a salmon yogurt dip because it sits better like in the fridge for a while. I made this earlier this morning, chocolate chip cookies, but it's better when it like hardens and then I can bake it. Over here, I made some cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna make the frosting a little later because Justin's recording something right now. Justin's favorite peanut butter blossom. I haven't cooked with shortening in a minute. That Crisco stuff, yeah. And the boys helped me peel the kisses. And Nami, the peanut butter cookie, yeah. Alrighty, we're almost there. Cinnamon roll frosting, some cream cheese action. Yep, there we are. It's mixing good. Let me tell you this Quick Shine, I bought it on Amazon. It works so well. I tried it a few days ago just to see if it would work, and Liam and Justin both noticed. They were like, whoa, why are the floors so shiny? It really works. It smells bad though. I don't know why. But once it's dry, after like an hour, it doesn't smell bad anymore. But initially, ooh, PU. Yeah, do you think so or no? Liam says it smells fine, but I think it smells. I have a very sensitive Pinoy nose. I just used one of those clean Swiffer thingies, and this thing keeps coming on and off, though it's hard to use. I could have used my Bona one because I also have a Bona one, but the Bona one is dirty right now, the pad. But look. It's not to clean your floors. Your floors have to be clean already. This is like the last step. It's to shine it. So as you can see, it's not dirty. We're leaving this for Santa by the fireplace and the reindeers, of course. So we made chocolate chip cookies, peanut butter blossoms, some carrots for the reindeer, some milk for Santa also. Hopefully the Grinch won't steal Christmas. Hi friends, I know it's dark. Just chilling with the kitties. Justin's gonna read the boys a book. I've been up on my feet all day, and I didn't realize that until my feet started hurting just now. I'm just enjoying my time, my little alone time for now, with my kitties. Sunrise is over there. Charlie, you know where he is. He's in his only spot that he likes to hang out. Merry Christmas, Mr. Bob. So sweet. I'm just enjoying this. Like, there's this thing I saw. I forget where. But the person said, you're living in the good old days now. And I really resonated with that. So, like, I really be cherishing everything now. I nearly vomited because Justin gave this to me for Christmas. He gave it to me as an early gift. This necklace got me all jacked up. I was like, are you serious? Return it right now. But at the same time, I'm like, no. My husband wanted to give me a very nice, generous gift, and I'm going to take it. So I wore it to mop the floors. I wore it to fold laundry. I wore it to do dishes. Cause shoot, I'ma wear it. You know that saying, prepare to get sick of me? Prepare to get sick of me with this necklace. Cause shoot, he gonna get his money's worth. I'm gonna wear it all day, every day, all the time. Shoot. To Pilates? Oh, why yes, just kidding, not to Pilates, but hi, Mr. Bob. He's super affectionate when it's quiet. Hi, buddy. Merry Christmas to you. You excited to open your yummy treat gifts tonight? Or tomorrow morning? I just worry. I was like, I want to give it to him now because he hides a lot, you know, especially with family coming over. Like, I'm wondering if we should give it to him now. Hi, Bob, my little peppy. What do we have here? A whole cat water fountain, and y'all want to drink the water from the tree like you live outdoors. Hey, Charlie, you left your little sleeping spot.